Okay, here we go. It's fine, no turning back. Oh my god, no turning back. So, hello. Remember when I used to do hair on this channel? Today, I decided I'm gonna take you along while I dye my hair today. So, I have a little bit of a problem. My roots, after like my regrowth, are like this ugly green. So today I'm gonna try to fix that. I have already washed my hair pretty thoroughly with some clarifying shampoo. This one, to be specific, I like shampooed it like 3 or 4 times. And yeah, I think my only options with what I have right now are like a pinkish red or a purple, and I think a purple will cover this a lot better. So that's what I'm gonna do today. We're in my bathroom. My vanity room just echoes so much. I ordered a huge rug for it, so hopefully that'll be here today and we can put that in there and hopefully that'll help with some of the echo. So yeah, let's get into it. These are my options that I am able to work with right now. This is just what dye I have in my house. So I was thinking I'm going to mix a darker purple with some of these lighter purples and hope that it comes out dark enough that it's not like black, but it's dark enough that it'll cover my roots. So we're just gonna have to work with this yellow lighting in my bathroom. Nothing I can do about it. I mean, I could, you know, replace the bulbs, but why am I gonna do that? As if I need any more energy today. Okay, put on some gloves. I haven't used this Kiss dye in quite a while. I used it on one of my wigs not too long ago, and I think the purple that came out on that dark enough to cover my hair. My hair's all poofy right now because I blow dried it. I literally almost never blow dry it, but I don't have a ton of time today. Let's do this. Okay, so there's this purple passion color that I think is gonna be dark enough for sure. I don't have multiples of any of these colors other than this vivid violet, and so I am just trying to make sure that I have enough of like one color, because the worst thing that could happen is that I mix up a custom color and then I don't have enough to actually finish my hair. That would be absolutely awful. All of this just looks like black. Like I'm literally just going to be putting this like black goop on my hair. I haven't mixed this dye together too much, so I am hoping that it mixes together nicely, because like the consistency of this is so weird. It's not like conditioner like dye normally is. Oh my god. I think I need to probably grab out like a test strand or something like that. This is scary. Okay, I got a test strand. What do we think about that? I think that probably could cover literally like anything. I'm down with that color purple. Okay, so it's time. I'm honestly a little nervous. I haven't like done this sort of color in a long time. It's always been like colors, but it'll be fine, right? It's gonna be fine. I guess I'll kind of part it, because I really want to get it on the roots first and foremost. Okay, here we go. It's fine, no turning back. Oh my god, no turning back. Wow, actually I really like it so far. I love, okay, no, it'll cover. It will cover and you won't even be able to notice my actual roots in this. So while we're here, sorry if I don't look in the right place. I'm like trying to look in the camera in my mirror. I think that's the right place where I look, otherwise I'm like looking at myself, but I'm looking at you guys. So while we do this, why don't I update you guys on my life? Instead of like a get ready with me, I can do like a dye my hair with me and chat. So recently, as I had mentioned, I got a breast lift. As of today, I am 2 weeks post-op, so I'm like barely starting to try to get back into my normal routine. I thought I was gonna bounce back a lot quicker than I did. It like knocked me out for sure. I thought, I was like, no, it's not gonna be as big of a deal as I think. It was. It knocked me out for sure. I'll probably do a whole like Q&A video and like more in depth once I'm actually healed. I heal, I think, fairly slowly, just me personally, which sucks. And so it is taking me, I think, longer to heal than someone else would. And this surgery was a lot harder on me than anything else I've done. I was about to say, vote But I can't, you guys can't vote right now. I was about to say vote. Do you think it's all gonna come out one color or no? My boyfriend's gonna come home and be like, not in like a bad way, he's just gonna be surprised because I don't think I told him I was dyeing my hair, and if I was gonna dye my hair I certainly didn't tell him I was gonna do it like a dark purple. I'm just hoping I'm getting the right spots back here. Somehow I flung. Okay, if I'm flinging it, oh my god, I am flinging it a little bit. I'll be more careful. I am going to clean this up really quick, and then I'm going to leave this on for like 30 to 45 minutes. I really want it to soak in. I'm a little stressed that it's gonna come out splotchy with the different colors. I don't think so though. This is such like a deep color. I think it'll saturate everything just fine. So let me clean this up and then let's get on with my day. I think I will just vlog the rest of my day with you guys because why not? Okay, so it's been like 45 minutes. I'm gonna rinse this out now. I have to like hang my head over the tub and rinse it out like that because I don't want to get anything wet for too long. So, this should be fun. If your tub gets stained like this after, I always just will go back and just spray it with bleach and it always works. Okay, so I've washed it out of my hair. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I put on my hair every day after I wash it. So this Redken Extreme Anti-Snap leave-in treatment, just like 1 or 2 squeezes of that, and I'll just brush that through the majority of the ends of my hair. I don't really bring it up too high because I don't want it to get all greasy too quickly. Then some of this smoothing ritual oil from Uberless, and again mainly towards the ends. And then some of this Sparks Color Care Protecting Spray. I do switch it up sometimes, but that's what I use a lot of the time. I have a bunch of other leave-in stuff that I'll occasionally put in if I feel like it needs something specific. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this for now until it is air dried. That way I don't do any more damage with the heat today. I mean, we will, because I have to curl it, but no more blow drying damage today. Okay, so my hair is all dry. Here's how it looks. I am going to curl it now. I don't really do anything special when curling it. I just use my straightener. I feel like my hair is all crunchy today because I've washed it so many times. Usually I wash it like every couple days, but I washed it yesterday and I washed it like twice today. My hair's not having it. Okay, so here it is all done. Let me show you guys in the actual lighting. In better lighting, I meant to say, not actual lighting. Here it is. Happy with how it turned out. So now I gotta go film some Instagram stuff, but I will pick up with you guys in a little bit. I'll keep going on with my day. Okay, so I'm gonna make dinner. I think today I'm just going to make salads. This is something I make literally probably like 2, 3, 4 times a week. So this is just my salad routine. So first thing, Gardein chicken fingers. I usually chop these up and put these on top of. 2 each. I'm gonna make my boyfriend's at the same time. I usually make his a little bit differently. And that's my salad. I'll have David shake it up and stuff, but it's pretty now. So I was having a day yesterday, so I stopped filming after dinner. But I have my new giant rug, and I thought I'd show you guys putting it in my vanity room. Somehow it's a 11 by 8 rug, so I'm really hoping that this will get rid of any echo in here as well as with my wall. It's not like I'm not trying to get rid of the echo. I'm trying to get furniture, I'm trying. So I'm gonna try to put this rug in here. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I spent all day filming, like literally all day. It's like almost 4 and I started at like 9 this morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this hair transformation slash vlog slash like what I eat video. Let me know if you guys like it. I can always do this. I feel like my life's pretty boring, but I can still film it, you know? I just did these nails right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a like if you want more videos like this, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye.